In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo email account. Before we begin, a quick but important heads up, deleting your Yahoo account is permanent after a short grace period, so take a moment to prepare. Start by backing up anything you might need later. That includes important emails, contacts, and any files or attachments stored in your mailbox. You can export contacts from your Yahoo address book and save key emails by downloading them or forwarding them to another address you control. Think of this as your safety net, because once the deletion is complete, recovery isn't possible. Next, cancel any active subscriptions or link services tied to your Yahoo account. This prevents billing issues and avoids problems with services that rely on your Yahoo login. Check your account settings for subscriptions or paid features you've activated. If you use your Yahoo email to sign into other services, switch those logins to a different email ahead of time so you don't get locked out. It's also a good idea to notify contacts of your new email address. If available to you, consider setting up temporary forwarding to help you catch any lingering messages during the transition. When you're ready to delete, open a web browser and go to the Yahoo account termination page at https://login.yahoo.com account delete user. Sign in with your credentials. You'll see details about what deletion means, including loss of access to all Yahoo services connected to this account. Read that information carefully to make sure you understand the impact. Then select the option that says Continue Delete My Account, or a similar prompt. You'll be asked to confirm by re-entering your password and your email address. When you're certain, choose Yes, terminate this account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're deleting the intended one. Using a private or incognito window can help ensure you're signed into the correct account. After you confirm, your account enters a grace period that typically lasts between 30 and 90 days, depending on your region. During this time, if you change your mind, you can log back in to cancel the deletion. If you don't take action, the account will be permanently removed after the grace period ends, and all associated data will be irretrievable. That includes emails, contacts, and access to any Yahoo services tied to the account. That's the full process from preparation to confirmation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.